some of those things about me. Listen to what your heart keeps telling you. Well, it's obvious that there's something between us that you can't define in words or song. If you knew me like I know me, trusting me won't take you very long. I heard your daddy said I wasn't right now, and your mama said there's something wrong with my eyes. If they knew me like I know me, it won't take very long before they realize